Alright, for people that just want to pick up debris on top of the surface and don't really want to get down on the ground and rip up roots or rocks and everything, we have behind me our ETG series. Now this is meant for tractors and small skid steers up to about 50-55 horsepower, and this is available in a 5 or 6 foot with a single clamp, and then right here we have a 72 inch with the dual clamps, and that'll just skim along the surface, and then whatever debris gets in the bucket you can secure it. Now sometimes that's a challenge of trying to get the debris into the bucket. You know, sometimes you have to get underneath it and you end up taking a lot of earth with you. Well, WorkSaver has our patented sweep action tying grapples where the clamp itself will open up like a normal clamp. When it closes, this first part will hit a stop, and then the hydraulic overpower the spring, and that causes this front to sweep in, and it'll sweep from here all the way back to here, and that effectively pulls the product into the bucket, and it also compresses the product so you can carry more per trip. And also when you get down to the small items, you can just open the clamps like they are there, drive up, hit the hydraulics, and it'll flip the product right in the bucket, and it makes site cleanup a lot quicker than a traditional grapple where you have to force the material into it. For those of you that are working with concrete or rock, we have what we call our Sarge grapple, and this has clamps that go all the way across. It's available in a 72 or an 84 inch, and the bottom tines are round. The reason for the round tines is as you get rock, concrete, wood in there, if you have vertical slats like our SAT and LPTG grapples do, they eventually get plugged and you lose your ability to sift material through. Well, with round bars, it's point-to-point contact, so if something gets wedged in there, you can just simply put the bucket down and the material will pop out, and that keeps the tines open to allow you to sift anything smaller than 2 inches. So as you sweep the product into the bucket, you then take your tilt cylinders and shake the grapple, and it'll sift all the fines out. That way you're leaving the dirt at your work site and removing the debris that needs to be removed from the work site.